YouTube? This is Terry with Terry's Theories. Hey, check out this video I got for you today. This strange little creature you see in the center of your screen was filmed at 3,700 feet at the bottom of the Indian Ocean next to a drill wellhead. The thing off to your left, something to do with the oil industry. Don't know much about that, so I'm not going to go into that. Alright, let's check it out. His body, the body of this creature, just is rigid and is perfectly still, floating in the current. I've never seen a creature that would hold that shape. But check this out. What does that even look like? It's got bioluminescence. I mean, what does it even closely resemble? It's like between an octopus and a stingray. I don't know. But look at that. It breaks into two pieces. What does that? What does that? It breaks into two pieces. I've never seen anything like that. That is wild. Alright guys, it's going to be a short video. Hey, leave me a like and subscribe and share if you dare. Alright guys, this is Terry out.